So I've been asking myself this question and I want to ask it to you. Do you know that AI is already running your life without you knowing? Recently, I've picked a lot of interest in learning and studying about artificial intelligence. But what does it mean to a layperson? Let me explain to you. AI is already running our lives at the moment. From the feed you see, either TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, that's all artificial intelligence, to the prices of things we buy from the shops. So I've been asking myself the question, what does AI mean to a normal person, to a lay person? We are going to try and keep it simple for you. AI stands for artificial intelligence, which means machines can think and learn like humans. Okay, sort of, kind of. So, take an example of a machine like a computer. They are trying to train it to think the way a person processes in their mind. And I know it is a bit scary, it's a bit tough, but it is just a number of it is just a number of algorithms that are put together so that this machine can think and act like a human being. That is what artificial intelligence is. We are going to mention some examples of artificial intelligence where it is already working, where it has worked for years. The first example is Netflix recommendations. Of course, if you have a Netflix account, you know you have watched series or movies before. So its artificial intelligence will recommend new movies for you. That is why it says, I think you would like this. It is the machine learning that, oh, Joe is watching Breaking Bad. I think he will like Stranger Things. So that is the process of AI thinking. So they'll recommend that to you. That is AI. Another example of using artificial intelligence, we have Google searches. When people go onto Google and do research, when you search, it keeps what you search and then it will recommend for you something that you've been thinking about. I'll use a clear example. You might go onto Google and search, let us say you're searching watches. Okay, you search a watch. Then the moment you log into Facebook, a watch advert will come. It is artificial intelligence running through your phone, and these companies have mastered the way it is. And it's terrible that it has come out to the public. Actually, it's not terrible. It is good for us, we the people. That is why you shouldn't stay behind, actually, because you can ask the people who were there when the internet was just new. It was sort of a scam. People used to be like, oh, the internet, now it is a daily need. It is part of the needs, not just a want. It is a need to have internet with you. So those are some of the examples of how artificial intelligence is being used, in day-to-day activities. Social media feeds, self-driving cars, the Teslas, Elon Musk's, the taxis are coming. Self-driving, I know it is not yet in some countries, but it is being rolled out in a lot of countries. So those are some of the examples where AI is being used on a daily, for normal things without you knowing. We enjoy scrolling social media, but AI is already doing this, recommending you videos, recommending posts and adverts. These are some of the ways AI is already affecting your life. Of course, the main topic is it is going to replace jobs, but these are some of the ways I've come up with on how AI is affecting your life. For example, finance, it decides credit, the stock trading, it decides a lot of that, loans, it decides how much a person should. AI is already doing this in finance. Then we have jobs. Well, it has started already replacing some tasks. We saw that in Amazon warehouses, Amazon warehouses where AI was replacing workers. In entertainment, AI is already huge, a lot of music, deep fakes, and even AI YouTubers are coming up. Recently, I saw the story of the rabbit, all AI videos, and they have 2 million subscribers. I guess we are getting out of work. Even as YouTubers, AI is coming for us, because 2 million subscribers, earning a lot of money from YouTube, AI is almost coming for everybody. The future of AI should we be worried? Seriously, I don't know if we should be worried or we should be, normal. The people who shouldn't be worried are the ones who are using AI to advance, themselves, to advance their careers, their jobs, and money-making ventures. So the good side is AI can make life a bit much easier and more efficient. For example, writing a university paper, it can help you do research, all that. It can help you draft a lot of things, write a story, write a script for YouTube. Maybe I'm also using AI to make this video. So AI is already helping life. So the bad side of AI, it can take a lot of jobs, make mistakes. I have a lot of stories about ChatGPT making a lot of mistakes. I've been building something, but I have to go back and forth with AI, which is absurd, and it is too stressful. Well, and also maybe it will control what we see. We are not sure what it is capable of yet, and it is threatening. It might. We've seen the iRobot movies. Maybe it will come to that, which is worrisome. The way we use it matters. That is the balance for everything. Some people might use it for the bad, others will use it for the good, to improve the world. So we have to majorly focus on the good things that AI can help and things that AI can do for us as people. It can help with a lot of things, man. Coding, if you don't know how to code, it can help you, teach you how to code. It can be your tutor. It can teach your child with homework. It helps with everything. People are going to become a bit more lazy with AI doing everything. But I saw a podcast about an AI CEO for some company. He was talking about, I think in 10 years, people will not be working anymore, like mowing the lawn, washing the dishes, cooking. All these jobs probably are in danger of AI, because if you have a machine that can make you a 5-star meal, I'm sure people are going to go in for that. Or we might say we want the human touch, but this thing can has millions of recipes in its mind, and you just have to instruct it to make this for you. Make for me pasta with caviar and but I know you have to have them. So I think people are going to use AI really well, and I think it is going to improve a lot of lives. I hope we are not left behind. As you know, I'm an advocate for the normal person. How is he going to use it and benefit out of it? You should start asking yourself, how am I going to use AI to improve my job, to improve my finances, to improve everything that I need? So I want to know what you guys think of AI. Is it more of a threat than a good thing, or is it more of a good thing than a threat? For example, I've taken time to look at this video creating bot. Of course, I'm in the YouTube space, so I took time to look at this AI that creates videos. Look at this. Just look at what it created here. Let me first watch this and see. Wow. And this is artificial intelligence at its best. This is beautiful. Look at this, man. What AI can create is just amazing. Of course, these cat videos have been going viral on the internet. I think these cat videos have been going so viral on the internet. Like the cat listening to music, the cat cooking. I've seen one of the cat cooking. It's here. Just look at what AI can do. That's a lot of cat hair in that rice. I think it is making this fried rice with veggies, vegetable rice. but that's a lot of cat hair you should be eating there. But this is the power of artificial intelligence. This is what AI is doing. I think even us YouTubers are getting out of work. I've seen this too on TikTok and YouTube. A baby walking with a leopard. I think what AI is capable of doing, this is just an example. This video does not exist. It is just AI that put it together. So I don't want you as a person to be left behind with this generation of artificial intelligence. I want you to put your thinking cap on and say, what am I going to use this for? But all this is AI. We should I've seen this a million times on YouTube. AI, bro. I think I have to say AI a lot of times in this video, but look at what this thing does. This is called Kling AI. I think it is a video creating AI, and there are specific ones that are meant for different things. For example, how is it called? ChatGPT is meant for, you know, conversational and assistant work. This one is specifically made for video creation and image creation. There is Dell, there is DeepThink, there is a lot. Even X is trying to come up with AI. Google itself is doing AI. Everyone is in this business, and I think you too should be in this business, man. Don't be left behind. Use AI right now. I want to know what you think in the comment section. Is it scary? Is it exciting you? Are you starting to use it already, or how much do you use it? Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel if you want to see how I'm using AI to build something for myself and I think for the future. We are going to do a lot of things with AI, and I'm going to be talking about a lot of artificial intelligence on this channel. I just wanted to come up with that intro, a little bit about AI. You know, you can literally use it to make a video, to make a song, to make a writing, to make a story, to code. You can use it to print money. I don't know, but I think it is here, and it is here to stay. It has been released into the world, and they cannot just take it back now, right? It just has to keep on advancing and getting better. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. I'll definitely see you in the next one. This video was not made by AI. Peace out. Bye.